What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. Behind me here we have 2012 Shelby with the VMP blower. You've seen me run him before. Of course he got me. That was when I was on 91. We're on E85 now with an ice tank. Then over here we have a single turbo S197. This should be a great run as well. He's on the E85 on wastegate, tuned by Lund, and on a tire, of course. But other than that, there's not much done to this car, so should be a pretty fair run overall. We're gonna get a run in with both cars today. He's adjusting his tire pressure currently, and then we're gonna head to Mexico, of course. But with that being said, this is gonna be two separate videos, so sorry if it's the same intro for both videos. We're gonna get a couple of runs in with this one, leave the car cool down, get a couple of runs in with the Shelby in the next video. So stay tuned for that one. With that being said, let me get the GoPro mounted on the car and get a GoPro on my head. We'll see you in a little bit. All right guys, we got everybody following right now. And then we're about to be in Mexico. Got the ice in the tank. IATs are dropping. They're down to 120 right now. Keep in mind the car was sitting for a bit, so it's going to take a bit for it to cool off. But once we start driving here, it should cool off pretty quickly. See 117, 150, and 113. It's just going to drop and drop. We're doing the S197 turbo first. See, it's already down to 100 degrees. Leaving a couple of cars go up. Definitely quick, of course, no doubt. And already that ice is melted. It's just way too hot out. We got some ice to put in real quick to get one more run in. Alright guys, we are going to do one more run with the S197 turbo Mustang again. Single turbo on the 85, built engine, bumper exit exhaust. I don't know too much about it. I know it's a 75mm turbo. It should be between 700 to 800 wheel horsepower. I just filled up the ice tank again. My ATA2s are at 99 right now, cruising at about 30 miles per hour. 97, keep in mind it is 83 degrees outside. So we're gonna get one more hit in, and then immediately after we're gonna get a hit in with the GT500. guys, that is going to be it for tonight's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We got a run in with the turbo S197. Got him the first run. Second one we spun, and for whatever reason we heat soaked, even though we just filled up with ice. I think the pump got blocked. I got a piece of ice in there or something that got through the grate somehow, and it didn't allow flow. So I just let out. There wasn't a point in going. So that one was 1-1, not an excuse. He's going to turn up the car even more, and we'll get another run in. I'm going to continue turning up the car, obviously. We're not done with it yet, but like I said, the car is going to get some significant performance mods real soon here. And of course, we reran Jake Cup's Shelby over here. Beautiful car. 2 separate videos, of course. So if you're watching the turbo S197 video, make sure you stay tuned for the next video, because we get this beautiful Shelby. Make sure you check out his YouTube. And we got a few runs in with him. There's a couple that I was heat soaked right away. One that I spun real bad and just let out. And other than that, great runs overall. Great night. I had a lot of fun. That's all that matters at the end of the day. Of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Drop a like, drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you want to see moving forward. Until next time, guys, I'm checking out.